In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your password within your Intuit account. For many of us, the security of our financial information is paramount, which makes it essential to know how to manage and change your password regularly. Changing your password can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening a web browser and navigating to the Intuit website. Once you've reached their homepage, you'll need to sign into your account using your current credentials. At this point, look for the profile icon typically situated at the top right corner of the page. This icon usually resembles a small silhouette of a person or sometimes displays your initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and select the option that says Manage Your Intuit Account. This selection will bring you to a new page dedicated to your account settings. Here you'll want to navigate to the Security section. This part of the site is quite significant because it manages all aspects related to the safety of your account. It's always a good idea to get acquainted with this area, as it might also include settings for two-factor authentication and other important security features. Now let's focus specifically on changing your password. Locate the option that says Change Password. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial in ensuring the security of your account, as it confirms your identity before any changes can be made. After entering your current password, it's time to create a new one. When crafting a new password, aim for something that's strong yet memorable. Try to incorporate a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance its security. Avoid obvious choices like your birth date or simple sequences that can be easily guessed. Once you've come up with a new password that meets these criteria, go ahead and type it in. You'll generally need to re-enter it in the Confirm Password field to ensure zero typos, preventing any lockout issues later. Having confirmed your new password, go ahead and save the changes. At this point, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, be sure to double-check any on-screen instructions or error messages for clues about what might need fixing. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Intuit account password, thereby boosting its security. Remember, regularly updating your password is an excellent habit, as it adds an additional layer of protection to your account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.